We are recording this using the Nimbus app, Hangout on Air. You go to your YouTube channel, you go over to your icon, you click Creator Studio, you come down here to live streaming. You do not, I stress, do not use Stream Now. You go to Events. It says you don't have any, click on New Live Event. It will give you a place for a title, which goes right here. We're going to do this up so that this is test title. We're going to start it now. This will give you a place for the whole description and everything, but we're going to take that out so it can show you. Gives you a place for tags. This is TubeBuddy to app. Don't worry about this part of it. You want to be sure that this quick is clicked, because if you use custom, you have to download and set up an encoder, much more complicated than it actually needs to be. For you tech heads, I know you consider that an insult, but it's not. The regular user does not need to know that they can get away with quick if they're just interested in doing little videos on their own. TubeBuddy applies, don't worry about that. Make sure that it is unlisted. If you make it private, it interferes with a whole bunch of stuff. If you make it public, anybody can wander into while you're live and everything. So be sure you check unlisted. Then you click go live. You will not enter a Hangout tool on here, so you can live stream from your webcam. If you meant schedule, please click cancel and edit your event time. Okay, that was over here. I'm going live right now. Okay, so you have got that done, and there's the interface for it. Okay, it's done. You've got your thing. That's the regular interface. Okay, then if you see upcoming now, when you get time to actually start the thing, you just come right back over to here, come to the same events thing. It's going to show you your upcoming events, and you click start Hangout on there, and that starts it. That's well and good, but you need to advertise this thing beforehand, right? So you go over here and you do a right click on this. Well, hang on. I take that back. Click on this. It will open. You see, it's waiting. Okay? So you can go here and you can get this share link to share with your public. If you click Facebook, Google, Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever any of these others are, you can do a share and share that link out. And when it comes time, they click the link, they'll come here, they'll be able to see, watch it right here, and they can leave events right here. See, comment. Okay, and we hit return, and there it goes. Test comment. This says unable to connect because we are not live yet. This only actually really goes live once you hit that start button over that I showed you, where it said start Hangout. But what you can do, and this is really neat, is you also want to copy this link. Because now what you want to do is you go from your YouTube to your Google Plus. Go to your communities, you go down to events. Now we're going to set up an event. We're going to create an event. Basically, it calls for the same information and everything that you normally would put in, except You have who you're going to invite. I'll show you this. You go to event options. I would turn off guests can invite other people and guests can add photos. That can disrupt your Hangout on air. You go to advanced. You say show more options. Now your YouTube URL, you can say Control V, paste that right in there. We'll give it a title. This is a demo title. All right, we've got that. You can fill in this other stuff, the details, the website if you want to send them to your website. If you are going to have tickets for sale, parking, all that. Who to invite? Okay, I'm going to invite me. All right. So I can say here, and I can say Andrew Hackett, and say done. And that's it. And you say invite. Then it loads, and here's the demo title. It shows when the video starts, it will show right here. Now, you can change this. Image right here. You see when you click on that, it says waiting for blah, blah, blah. All right, now you can go up here and you can say edit event. Here's where you can put your banner. You can do a custom banner, create your own whatever. So we've got that done. We'll say save. Okay. Now, when you start the event on your YouTube, the video is going to show up here. So people can watch it here. They can comment here unless you want to do something. And you can do that if you edit the event. You say guests can comment. You can't do that. I mean, you can uncheck that so they can't comment. So what you do is you can say, go to YouTube and see and comment, and then you can put your link in there. Say share that. Okay, then you go up here and you edit the details and you turn off guests can comment. Okay, so now when they come over here, they only see this link. So when they come to watch this thing, you can do all your advertising here, and you can give out the link that you can give out this URL right here at the top and send them that link. Will bring them to this page. Once they get to this page, they can't do anything except watch the video here. They can't comment or anything. They can click this link, go to YouTube to watch it and comment. And in fact, if you wanted to, you could actually not even bother to put a link in a video link in here. You could, if you wanted to, leave the video link out, as in edit. And now, if we take this out, watch what happens. We'll take this out. We'll save it. All right. You advertise this page. You can do all your detail, the whole thing, 9 yards. Then you're going to give them this link. They click on it, and it takes them over to the YouTube page where you will be live, and they will be able to comment. Now, all your comments here in the live chat will go away once the live event ends. but then it switches over to where they will comment on the video after it's over if you decide to allow comments. That will be up to you and nobody else. Okay, so basically that is it, and we're going to stop this video now.